So this is how the car was when it arrived. There's clearly plenty of rust visible. The obvious ones are in the front panel, which you can see by looking all around the four sides of the car, how there's plenty of rust. Customers already stripped out the interior, which made it a lot easier for me. But here we go. Here's some more detail. Front wing and the front, what do we call this, slam panel, which has been eaten right through and badly repaired in the past. The lower front panel below the headlights is just full of holes, as is the nose cone here, just rotted right through. There's previous repairs showing as well. There's an extra sheet of metal that someone's wedged inside. And the lower front panel just full of rust, covered in underseal. Engine bay's full of rust too. It's very difficult to see here, but the shock towers trap a lot of mud, which then keep water, and then down the bottom they rust through. But you can see here the general extent of the corrosion. It extends into the A-pillar bottoms on both sides, where it's gone right through the A-pillars. That includes going through the gutters, or gutter rails, whatever you want to call them, so you can actually see right through these gutters. And it's carried on down into the A-pillars next to the dashboard. There's plenty of surface rust. This is just a good idea. The sills look as though they've got surface rust, but they're actually rotten right through, as you can see here. When we took them off, we discovered the inner sills were completely gone, and it's the same here. The bottom of the rear quarter panel gone right through. The rear panel here has obviously been backed into a load of times because there's plenty of dents and there's rust right through on here. There's a wheel stud missing just for good measure. You can see great big gaping holes in the sill here too, although the grass is doing its best to disguise the holes. They're there and they're going to need to be dealt with. The photo at the start shows where we'd like to finish.